na yung Sony, kaya nilang mag-mint ng new supply if wala na. Diba? Yun yan kaya nilang mag-mint nun kung wala na. Hindi siya katulad ng Bitcoin.
I can't say it feels good to kill a comrade, even if it is for the Gru. Sokolov.
Hello, sir. Good evening, Sir Lorenzo.
Terms of parang digital ownership, and then kung bakit very siya sa currency, no? Very applicable. Kasi ang ginagawa nito is that we consume a game. Yung mga games na nilaro natin, no? Sa PC, sa console man yan, or what, yan na yung final build. Claim na, ay, oo nga pala, wait lang, hold on. True. Okay guys, sabay-sabay tayo. True. Castlevania Collection. Oh yeah. Wala naman daw masama maging balimbing. Ay, grabe, sir, sa balims. No? Anyway, pag ako nanonood ng review, hindi na ako more into the major genre.
Tanggal na tayo yung platform saka yung save point.
They come! They're on to us.
Kumang kaya.
The intelligence says that they are going to make their move during the test. Then, the soldiers outside.
PS5 ba gamit mo, sir? Hindi po, sir. PS4. Ay, PC version. Walayo.
Ledger na to is wala, hindi siya sa mismong entity na nagmamay-ari ng ledger na to. Cutscene, hindi cutscene tawag dun what do you call this? Yung mga set piece. Ayan. Diba? Sabi ko, I mean, totally futuristic kasi yung take ng Infinite Warfare. Sir. O nga marami rin gastusin kasi ngayon eh. Pupunta kami ng Cebu tsaka ng Jensan this holiday. So by December 2, no, wala na kami dito sa Manila.
Patay si Snake. Alunod.
Huh? The enemy's...
tree frog. It's ordeal, the trial to survive.
Ito cobra to eh.
Excellent. A great success.
There's nothing here.
Good afternoon, Sir Mix.
I gotta find Aaron. But it might be good to hit Chainscrape first and upgrade.
Magpapakawib ako doon, bahala kayo. Bahala kayo doon, di ba? So ano ngayon kung merong stigma, no? Bahala sila. Basta ako, weeb ako for that, for that too.
We've got high visibility.
Ang hirap kasi i-stream yun eh dahil PS3 exclusive kasi yun eh. Eh wala na tayong gumagana ng PS3 ngayon eh. Ano ba yung palaka dito? Ito yung palaka.
Shorts? Body shorts? Oh, wear ka ng shorts? Oh. Right. Oh. Okay.
What's the matter?
I don't know you well enough to trust you.
How well do you have to know?
Di ba mahina yung audio, guys?
So, ito yung nasa NES tsaka SNES ata na games. So, it's time to redeem. Diba? I mean, why not? O, yun o. Castlevania Collection.
It's comfort allowed the more.
How?
No one but unless I don't.
No other way in.
The only way. Look, help me.
You said the bristle.
Yes. Sit.
Are you hurt?
I'm.
I need to know exactly what happened.
With the platform is, syempre, via account. Diba? And then, tong account na to, kinirate natin dun sa platform. So, meron silang hold ng record kung sino tayo. Kung ano yung identity natin. Set ang mindset ng mga tao, especially yung mga nasa kapangyarihan, no, yung mga boss natin, ang mind shift dati.
Naked Snake. I'll be referring to you as Snake from now on. You're not to mention your real name.
Snake?
What, you don't like snakes?
What do you mean?
You've eaten one before.
Digital copies of video games, emulation of the video game hardware, maintenance and preservation of specialized video game hardware such as kung ano ba yung nagustuhan mo at ano ba yung parang potential of that game. 'Di ba? Kasi parang sa panahon kasi ngayon, ang dali mag-sway ng tao. 'Di ba? Especially kung
I wonder if I can find more of them out in the wild.
don't know the details, but it appears to be a new kind of nuclear device. For half a year now, the Soviets have been conducting frequent nuclear tests at Semipalatinsk.
Something to do with the weapon, I assume.
Dito yata ako pupunta. Yung double door.
Feeling mo hindi nag-work, no? Para hindi nila maintindihan yung corporate word. 'Di ba? Siguro, yes, that's the thing, no? Na parang hindi nila maintindihan yung corporate. Diba? Kasi it's purely based on emotion sometimes, 'di ba? Sometimes. Kaya minsan, no, yung
Thinking until I went to work for the NSA. And one day, I found I'd lost faith in the things I'd been taking for granted.
What did you see? What was it that made you want to change? That's more of a revolver technique.
You filthy American dog!
Right, let's get going.
Wait a minute.
What now?
You must be tired. Why don't you take a little rest?
I'll be fine.
feel mo na you totally disagree sa take nila. So, I mean, yun, no? That's it. 'Di ba? Ibig sabihin lang nun na parang ikaw as a person, you have a critical take on something.
Wala. Ano ba dito? Alam ko lahat ng lugar meron eh.
Dito sa Asia, ganun yung parang culture natin. So ako minsan, tinatry kong express yung sarili ko in a side na, ganito kasi yan pag dito sa amin sa Asia, ganito kasi yan. Diba? Parang, ganito.
She's a nice catch. I'll take her.
Labang Hosoki dal dyan.
Switch, no, yung mga emulator ng Nintendo Switch like Yuzu and Ryujinx, sorry. So itong mga emulation project na to, no. So currently there are bawat isa. Yung platform holder, meron silang responsibility on this. Tayo as a community, no, meron tayong responsibility. And then if we're talking about the physical games, no, itself, especially dun sa mga low print, no, nagkakaroon ng spike form, no, kung saan sila available, saan sila once available na wala na. So pati sila tangay. 'Di ba? And then emulation of the hardware, no? So ito key.
So, lapit. Okay.
Mighty thankful to you, Savior.
I see you're a practiced hunter. Took you less time to kill those scroungers than vanguards to kill one bristleback.
Kung isipin mo, may mga Nintendo games na i-release, 'di ba? 2 weeks pa lang or maybe a month.
Gotta find those 2 miners. Quick.
Parang yung camera din. Yung nga lang ito gamit niyang light, yung ano, yung light ng moon.
Ang area, dito try mong ubusin siya and then you proceed. Dito hindi, meron siyang level of tacticality. 'Di ba? Merong tacticality kahit pa paano. Ayun.
Ang ina mo, Petra, asan ka na?
I know that look. You've got all the parts, haven't you?
Diba? So ngayon, ang tanong dito, ano yung magiging function ng blockchain para doon sa tinatawag nating game preservation? Okay. Actually, no? So parang basta mga binayaran ko noon, yung mismong Disneyland para mga 2.5 or to 3K. Diba? So isipin nyo 2.5, 3K, no? Parang doble ng Enchanted Kingdom ngayon.
Meron pala naman sa gilid ko, puta.
Better let Corbin know his men are all right.
Mga titos ang buhay. True, no? Yung irony na dapat ang target for those toys, 'di ba? Is mga kids.
Wala kang work, sir. Walay, sir.
That's one heck of things going on at that camp.
You really think you can do that?
Karuk, come on! You know.
HQ.
This is HQ.
Control here. We have evidence of an enemy intruder. Commence alert formation.
Gotta go.
What will you do now?
I have to head west. Hopefully this rite of passage is still good. For what I'm after, I'll cross all of Tanak's territory if I have to.
Then you have a lot.
Parang solution for this is that ang isa kasi sa mga technology ng blockchain is yung tinatawag nating digital ownership.
Medyo mahaba-haba kasi yung horizon eh. Okay. Iwasin mo na ako, guys.
Alam ko si Lorenzo meron siyang collection ng ganon. So, pati yun, 'di ba? Tinatry din nating i-keep, tinatry din nating i-preserve yung mga magazines na yun, 'di ba? Pare is yung content na sinishare across dun sa Web3 no, or dun sa blockchain is lahat merong access regardless kung well, at some point, di ko kasi sure, no? Kasi sa Metacritic kasi sinasabi nila aggregate. Pero parang sa totoo lang,
search inside your former. Ito yung former natin. Ito. Ano ba yung palaka dito? Ito yung palaka.